Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I thought I'd share with you guys my go-to app for blocking scam callers, as well as a few basic tips that you can follow to help protect you from being a victim of scammers. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. So, over the last year or so, I've noticed that there's been a massive increase in telesales and scam callers. And personally, on a daily basis, I'm not surprised if I receive a call asking me to complete a survey or even switch my utility providers. And at this point, having had my telephone number for a few years now, I have no idea where these scammers grabbed my number from. But now that they have it, there's only two options available. Either you change your number, or, like me, you find a way to start blocking them from calling you. Now for most Android phones, such as here with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you can stop those calls by adding them to your block list. However, realistically, how many times are you going to go in and block each individual number? This is what started me down the rabbit hole of caller blocking apps, trying everything from Truecaller to the Samsung integrated Hire. Eventually landing on the one that worked for me, Call Control. Available both as a free and paid premium subscription, this app is something that I use daily. It just sits in your notification, and every time you receive a call, it gives you extra details about who called, and of course, the ability to block those scam numbers. And even better, instead of blocking just individual numbers, you can also block whole cities or area codes as well. So unless you're expecting a call from the other side of the country, why not block them? Especially nowadays with scammers using proxy local numbers to make you think that it's someone calling from the same country, this feature is very useful. To set this up, simply load up the app and make sure to allow it all of the permissions that it needs in order to work properly. Next, we want to head into the filter tab. This is where all of the magic happens. Here, using the plus button, you can add in a specific number, a variation of it, or even area codes such as I have. Just remember to hit block once you've added in the number itself. Now the app does have some customization options within its settings, however, straight out of the gate, it works perfectly to cut down on those nuisance callers. And the icing on the cake for premium users is the community tab, where you can look up numbers and see live updates from the rest of the community. As a final tip, remember that no one from your local government is randomly going to call you chasing for an outstanding payment, or even the FBI saying that a case has been raised against you.
FBI, open up!
Just remember never to give out your information, even if they can recite your home address, date of birth, or even your star sign. Just hang up, and if you're worried, just Google your local government telephone number and give them a call directly yourself. Frankly speaking, HMRC calls me once a week asking me to verify my national insurance number. Unless there's a letter in the post, don't worry too much about it. So, at the end of the day, if they have your details, they have your details. Paying them will make no difference at all. Simply change your passwords and contact your bank if you're worried. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And make sure you check out my other Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.